So today we are going to learn that how to install MySql and MySql Workbench in our system. So we are simply going to type MySql community installer, not server, installer download. So this is the first website, official website. There we'll have the latest version, which is 8.0.30. What you can do if you want to download the previous version, so you can go to this tab. Inside that you will have all the previous version, but we are going with the latest one. So let me click on this download button. And there I'll have option no thanks, just to start my download. Once I'll click on it, so downloading will start automatically. I already have this set up in my system, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to install it from that respective location. I'll go to download. Here I already have this community installer. Let it be run. Yes. Okay, so this is our developer setup. So I'm just going to this tab, that is next. Now there is something missing, but that is not required. If that is required, so we'll get the execute tab there. In that case, we need to click on that execute. After that, you can click on the next button. Okay, now these sections need to be downloaded. See, there we'll have execute button. Once I'll click on execute button, so that will start downloading. We can wait for that to be downloaded. Yeah, that is downloading now. That shell will take time. In MySQL server. So downloading complete. Now I'll click on next and then execute. This step will also take time, so I'm just going to pause this video for some time. So installation is about to complete now. Now we'll click on this next button. Again, next. So this is our port. By default, we are getting that port that is 3306. You can change this port according to your requirement. Like if 3306 is already occupied, so you will get a yellow symbol there. You can change your port by just editing this. So I'm just going with the default port, that is 3306. Now next. It is asking for the password. So this will be the root password. I'm just going with the password that is root itself, ROOT. Now this next button, you can set up this password according to your choice. Next, execute. Now these two steps will take time, initializing database and starting server. So we can wait for that. So this is done now. Now I'll click on finish. Next, again finish. Next. Now it is asking for the password which we set up. So my password is root. Let me click on this check. Connection succeed. Next, execute. Finish. Next. Now see, there are two checkbox. First is start MySQL Workbench after startup, start MySQL shell after startup. So we don't want this shell. We only want this Workbench. So let me click on the finish. We'll get our Workbench. So this is the Workbench. Now there you can easily identify that we'll have that section. You need to just double click, enter your password. My password is root. I'll get this basic screen, the first screen. There I can click on the schemas, and after that we can start our work. This is all about how we can install MySQL and MySQL Workbench in our system. Thank you.